Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely stunning Range Rover Evoque HSE Dynamic that is fresh into stock. This vehicle's finished in the Corris Grey Metallic with a full ebony leather upholstery. It's covered only 46,152 miles and has a full Land Rover service history. To add to this, we also have £1,365 worth of factory fitted optional extras, and that's to add to the already incredible list of equipment that's on this vehicle. So the specification including, as we can see on the exterior, the Corris Grey Metallic, which is a £640 factory option, the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards tying in the styling very nicely is a £375 factory option. We have lane keeping assistance with lane departure warning, which is a £350 option, and part of the HSE specification we have a fixed panoramic roof we'll be able to see when we're inside the vehicle. It has an electric blind to cover for some privacy. We also have the 20-inch sparkle silver alloy wheels, again finishing that styling off absolutely perfectly. 3-stage memory seats for driver and passenger, a Meridian sound system, heated seats again for driver and passenger, a reverse camera. To add to that, the front and rear sensors, which are audible and visual, and of course we have the satellite navigation with the multimedia system. So let's have a little look inside this absolutely wonderful vehicle. As we can see, quality and condition of everything certainly matches the exterior, and here is where we have the memory package with 3 positions to save to. That's the same for driver and passenger. In the centre there we can see, timed perfectly and lit up with Land Rover, that is where we have the touch screen for all the multimedia, the Bluetooth, and of course the satellite navigation. Dual zone climate control in the centre there with the heated seat buttons. Off-road driving controls just behind the park reverse neutral drive shifter. Around the steering wheel, which is multifunction, we have all the Bluetooth controls, the cruise control feature on the right hand side of this, and we can see just on the dashboard behind there the push start button for the vehicle. Looking into the back of the car, and again, quality, condition is absolutely stunning back here. Ample amounts of space for rear seat passengers. And as mentioned, with that level of equipment, a full Land Rover service history, and in this stunning condition, this is an absolutely fantastic piece of stock. So thank you very much again for your inquiry. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If there's anything that we've missed, please do let us know, and we can happily come back to you with those details. We will be in touch very shortly to discuss what funding options we can offer. Of course, if you have a part exchange, we're happy to put a strong value into that. And of course also any warranty options that you may wish to discuss with us. Thank you once again, and we'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now.